I didn't even touch on my makeup or anything. Oh my God. Let me not say that about myself. Let me not say that about myself. No negative self-talk. No negative self-talk. We're good. We got this. Period. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about how to deal with selfish men. We already did a video on generous men and how to attract them, and that those are the only types that I prefer. Hopefully you do as well. So in this one, we're going to talk about how to deal with selfish men. First things first, if the person that you are seeing or the person that is pursuing you is a selfish person in any aspect, whether they're not helping you financially, whether they're selfish in the bedroom, whether they're selfish in life with the people around them, right? Whether they're just a negative Nancy, like everything is always bad for them. They're always in a bad mood. They're always just, like they're always off. Here's how you deal with them. You don't. The thing with being an adult, you don't have to do anything you don't want to do, right? Unless you're trapped some kind of way, then call 911. If you need me to give you the number for 911, I'll give it to you. But if you don't want to be with someone, don't be with that person. It's literally that simple. Make a plan, find a way, get out. Itemize your expenses, write down what it is that you need to pay every week or every month, right? Calculate that. Look at how much you get paid every week or every month. Subtract your bills that you just itemized from your paycheck. See if you're making more than what your bills are. If you are, leave. Leave. It's that simple. Stay with a friend or a family member until you have enough money to get your own place. Just leave. You do not need to deal with people who do not serve you in a positive way. Okay? This advice now only applies, and this might sting a little bit, to the women who are actually giving, who are actually serving, who are actually providing, who are actually welcoming, the women who are playing their part or their role in the relationship to make sure that their man is happy and comfortable, right? They're not being selfish with their partner. If you are not being selfish with your partner, selfish with your time, selfish with, the way you love, the way you give, the way you gift, but your partner is, leave. You're obviously too good for them. You are obviously too good for them. Like it's nothing complicated. Me personally, if I start talking to somebody or I start getting to know somebody and I get any inkling that if I'm in trouble they can't help me, or if we're having a conversation and the first things also their mouth is something negative about somebody else or negative about the situation, or just their mindset is just ew, I simply stop talking to them. It's really, really and truly that simple. Like, you don't need to fix everybody. And I had to learn this. You don't have to fix everybody. Not everybody wants to be helped. Not everybody is at that stage of their life where they're ready to receive help. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't force. Okay. People have to find out for themselves how they want to be treated and how they want to be seen in the world. If you want to be seen as somebody who's loving and kind and generous, then you make the effort to be that person so that you can attract those people. If you're a nasty person, or if you only attract nasty people, look within yourself and see what it is that you need to change and what you need to fix. If you feel like, you're on the right path to greatness and these people are still coming around you, cut them off. It's literally that simple. Cut them off. I remember when I was going through my relationship stuff and I was venting to one of my friends, and I stopped in the middle of it and I'm like, this is very annoying because I'm complaining about the same things over and over, right? and then I go back to bed with this person every night. So it's either I do something about it or I shut up about it, because it does not make sense. It literally does not make sense. Fix up yourself. That's how I'm gonna end this. Fix up yourself. Once you fix up yourself, then the right people will start entering your life, and you will see where the love is and where you need to pour your love into. It's really and truly that simple. Remember, you cannot fix everybody. You can't. You can help, you can give advice, but that's the most. Unless they want to do something about themselves, that's the most you can do. Focus on you, focus on being a better you, focus on taking care of your kids, focus on taking care of your house, your well-being, your mindset, your relationship with God, and the right people will come into your life. Okay? Okay. And that's how you deal with selfish people. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Peace and kissy face. Bye.